once again this is Stone Pickers. Now I will show you again my new pickup stone, my new recover. You can see this stone. Also, I don't know what kind of meteorite is this, but this is a beautiful glassy, it's look like the glassy carbonado, and you can see the line, many lines there. There's a glassy fusion crust. It's completely fusion crust, the inner, the outer. There is also a glassy, looks so beautiful stone. It's almost 1 kilogram. Only this, almost 1 kilogram. This is also unique meteorite. You can see the bubbles like uh, that is a fusion cross. It's completely outer fusion cross. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.